This is better. I like this better.
What I feel like it does make sense.
That it uses
Oh, did what?
It's on the board. What is the purpose of a niche in an ecosystem? You need two things. Okay, we have 2 responses. We need 4 more. Use your notes if you have to.
He has my notes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, here are the answers
Okay, good.
on the Socrative app.
This is the bottom one.
An organism's niche is made up of what they eat, when they eat, where they eat, or all of the above. Enter it in. Okay, here are the answers. Okay, NK gets a point. D. CK, sorry. The answer is D. You were right, but it's all of the above. Okay, HL gets a point.
Oh, you like tried the emoji look.
RR and KL. Good. Okay, KL's in the lead. Okay. Let's look at this. What's the kingdom that you guys are going to put here? See how it's lined up? Kingdom? Okay, so what's your kingdom that you're going to put here? Okay. Plants. What are your phyla? Right. Okay. Then off of that, you're going to go up to class. So off of gymnosperms up to class, you're going to put conifer, ginkgo, cycad. Then up to species, you're going to put the names of the species that you have. Got it? And then glue your pictures. Yeah? Okay, good. Angiosperms. So yeah, when you get angiosperms, you're going to put the angiosperms.
I was really loud. I was like, what?
Alright, so like the sponge, the beige sponge. You write down the beige sponge. And then you write down
Okay, so yep. Make sure you have enough room. Good. And then the ones that you did, Zainab, you'll write, and the ones that Michelle did, she'll write. Yeah?
I have a snake, a lizard, a swimming
shut it
bird,
down.
a perching bird.
Yeah, but those are, half of those are birds and half of those are reptiles.
I know. I have.
Okay, let's draw this out bigger and let's see what we have.
It's confused me.
Okay.
These are mine,
I got all the fishes.
Okay, so animals, we have the fish. So we have the four types of fish or the 3 types of fish? Did you do jawless, bony, cartilaginous?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's done. Okay, then we have amphibians.
I got that.
Thank you. Okay, then we have reptiles. There's 4 types of reptiles. 2 let's take out the note. Here there. 2 taras.
I got that.
Okay, so turtles and tortoises. Okay, so you have snakes and lizards. That's 1 together. But you have that?
Yeah, snakes.
Okay, and crocodiles and alligators. So now we have birds. There were 5 types of birds. Tell me the kinds that you have done.
I have a swimming bird,
Okay,
a non-perching bird,
okay.
and I think I already did a non-perching bird and put another non-perching bird in.
Okay,
just
so
an example of an alligator, like a Chinese alligator.
common name and scientific name.
Okay.
Okay,
And then draw 3 big
so
lines.
you need to do, here, take this.
How do you do the scientific name again?
Genus, species. So you need to do 3 more types of birds, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Food chains, etc. So we need a lot of plants. Remember, if we have 10,000 plants, then we can have 1,000 frogs or whatever. But if we had 100,000 plants, then we could have 10,000 frogs. So the more plants that we have, the more animals that we have. Okay, so we need nitrogen and phosphorus to increase plants, to increase biodiversity, to increase ecosystem health. Okay. So we're going to see how the nitrogen and phosphorus cycle in the ecosystem, right? Because we're not going to add fertilizer to an ecosystem We just want them to naturally cycle into this. So why do we need them? Nitrogen. 5-point question. Nitrogen is in what? It's a 2-part question. Nitrogen is in what macromolecule? Which of the 4 macromolecules? And what trick did I give you to remember it? So first of all, let's name the 4 macromolecules. What are the 4 macromolecules? Lipids, proteins, carbohydrates, nucleic acids. Okay, so carbs, lipids, proteins, nucleic acids. Which one has proteins? Which one has nitrogen in it?
Good job, Ms. Brown. Good job, Ms. Brown.
Which one has nitrogen in it? Okay, so now, what's the
And the
trick
answer.
that I told you to remember it? It is proteins, but what's the trick that I gave you to remember it? It's a 2-point question now. Okay.
Protein.
Tell me to stop.
Stop.
Sebastian,
Okay.
what's the trick?
The trick is that to make proteins you need.
The trick that I told you to remember that nitrogen is found in proteins.
Oh yeah, that. So like to make proteins, or in it, and
Yeah, that's true, but
I wasn't done.
Jessica's in here.
Stop.
Okay, so I'll keep going.
Brendan,
Now, who's in there?
Proteins ends with an N, and nitrogen starts with an M.
exactly.
Oh!
And in proteins, you just
You definitely made that up.
Maddie, get out of this class, please.
Okay, stop.
You definitely should not use this class for your.
Hey, you pay attention.
Turn it down.
Was that 5 points? You should make 5.
It went down to 2. Okay, so nitrogen is a component of protein. And the way we remember this is protein has an N. Carbohydrates does not have an N, it doesn't have